Hey everyone, welcome to Halloween Horror Nights construction update number 2. A lot of stuff has been added to the street since the last time we were here, including this Nettlewood Cemetery sign right here on Hollywood Boulevard. So let's check out all the additions that have happened throughout the park for Halloween Horror Nights 31 this year. Like I just said, there's this Nettlewood Cemetery pillar entrance sign. Surprised there's not another one across the street. And then right next to it is another piece of the cemetery. Very mausoleum looking. Definitely looks like a scare actor could be standing there. Or something else. So there you go. That's all that's been added to Hollywood Boulevard since our first construction update. We're now heading into Central Park. And since we've been here last time, there was just some lighting added. Now we've got a bunch of rigs, rigging here, and a bunch of black. These are covered. That definitely looks like someone could be up here walking around, possibly. This is rumored to be a scarecrow themed zone. Like I said, rumor. That's really been the only thing that's been added. All these lighting rigs are already here. There you go. You got Central Park. Definitely looks like there's going to be something interesting in here. It's going to be really tight through there. We are now over in the San Francisco area, and right now we've just got lighting and sound towers up. Nothing, no pieces yet of sets. Sorry, it's hot out here. Including that big piece back there. So, not much over here in San Francisco yet. Just a lot of light and sound. Now we're over here in New York, right in front of Revenge of the Mummy, and we got corn. Just so everyone knows, this is not real corn. It is synthetic. It does not look or feel real. I hope it's not real corn. This looks like a corn photo op. Because the theme seems to be a fall festival, Halloween festival parade. Run amok. Something went wrong here at the Bicentennial Hometown Fall Halloween Festival Parade. It's sponsored by Major Sweets Candy Company. So this looks like a tractor. It's hit a booth. Here looks like the Major Sweets Candy Company booth over here. I'm going to guess, and you can see Little Boo there. Possibly, like some people have said, the candy's poison, turns people into zombies or something else. Judge's booth that clearly, if you look behind here, has a stairs to it. So it clearly is a little mini stage set up. So I have a feeling there'll be somebody with a microphone there, because there's speakers over here. So I think that is all that's been up here in New York now. Yeah. Tribute store will be closing soon. But yeah. Here we go. Something went wrong at this parade. Isn't it like most scare zones, something went wrong? But there you go. I imagine we're going to see some more pieces coming out here soon. So that's it for Halloween Horror Nights 2022 construction update number 2. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And remember, everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the parks, and we'll see you in the fog at Halloween Horror Nights 31.